Hi, this is Wigglecado. I will be making a series of 3D modeling tutorials for beginners on Nomad Sculpt. Today, I will show you how to model these stylish lamps in an easy way. Alright, let's get started. Let's delete the default sphere, then add a cylinder for the connecting base and put it on the top first. Add another cylinder for the bottom ring part and make a hole by clicking the hole button. Now, we are making the lamp shape by using a tube. Click the curve button on the left menu and draw a shape of lamp. To modify the tube, you need to click and drag the point from the path. Here's a tip for you to remember. Click the point to change the curve to a straight line, then click again to change it back to the curve. Simple. Then adjust a shape you really want. After I am happy with the shape, I change the tube shape from circle to square to make it look like a bending piece of wood. Then I scale it to the right size and mirror like so. After I choose the number of woods to mirror, I validate it. Now, I need to create the power cord by using some simple shapes. That is the modeling part. Easy, right? I didn't use much time for the rendering part. I just chose a brown light color to make the tube look like wood. Then I painted a black color on the outside to make contrast, and a black color for the whole power cord. Next, I want to show you how to snap the tube into the shape. I will simply delete the tube which I made before and reuse the power cord. Add a sphere and scale to the right size you want. Then you can just draw a straight line between the sphere. Adjust those points into a straight line. Remember, don't delete any of the points between the sphere. Then, turn the side view, and you will see the tube actually follows the sphere shape. You can adjust it a little to make a perfect circle. I just repeat the previous method to mirror the lamp shape. Now, I want to show you how to change the pivot point to make more possibilities for your design. I will simply delete the circle shape. Add a torus and rotate to the right angle. To rotate an angle you want, you can click Snap Angle button from the left menu and type the number for the angle. I decrease the torus density to make the square shape. Now, I click the pivot button and move the point to the lamp center, and click the pivot button again to lock it. This way, I can use the axis to mirror it. To show all the models in a whole picture, I quickly import my previous models to a scene and simply merge things together. Then, I adjust their distance to make the picture more interesting. After I am happy with that, I need a backdrop for the rendering. I use a tube to draw a curved line and rescale the width to make it like a wall, and add a light source on the top. Voila! Isn't that simple? Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next videos.